What's the meaning of crackers? Crackers. Crackers.
Crackers. Crackers. The term crackers can refer to a variety of items or actions, depending on the context. In regards to food, crackers are typically thin, crispy baked goods that are commonly eaten as a snack or as an addition to other foods such as dips and cheese. However, crackers can also refer to a type of computer hacker who gains unauthorized access to computer systems with malicious intent. Additionally, the term can be used to describe something that has been broken or damaged, such as a cracked phone screen.